Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to check phone specifications with the Devcheck hardware and system info app on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store and here enter the Devcheck hardware and system info app, and now we have to get this application. So tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app and here you will see all of the specification of your device, from the dashboard to hardware, the system information, the battery info, the network information, the apps info, the camera and the sensors info. So here, as you can see, we got a lot of different types of information about our device. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.